Hello and welcome to Indian Kitchen Flavors. Today we'll see how to make this delicious and easy salad. So let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add in washed baby spinach leaves. To this, add in 1 cup of roasted pumpkin or squash. To this, add in some roasted seeds. This is a mix of peanuts, sunflower seeds. Now I will keep this aside and prepare a simple salad dressing. In a jar, I will add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, some extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of flax seeds powder, some chili flakes, some black pepper powder, salt according to taste, and some honey. Now mix this well until well combined. Now the dressing is all ready. Let's pour this over a salad. Now we will toss this so that the dressing combines with all the ingredients. Everything is well combined. Now we will finish this off with some crumbled feta on top, and our delicious salad is all ready to be served. If you like the recipe, please subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again with the next video. Take care. Bye bye.